Hey guys! So before I bought Roota's course, I was doing e-commerce and I wanted to move to something else. And when Roota was describing what she does, I really liked it and I felt that's something for me. In my e-com business, I was just starting to implement sales funnels, but I felt I didn't really understand how it works and how to build an effective funnel. I also had experience with Facebook ads, but I wanted a point of view from someone who runs ads for her clients and not for his own business. So about the results I get from the program. Well, I guess it's the kind of results you expect with this kind of program. I got my first clients. That's absolutely amazing because the course isn't finished yet and I'm already paid for my services. So what I like most is Roota's position. I mean, I took other courses and no one is as available as Roota, and by far. And not only available, but she's really here to help. When I got my first prospect, I needed her answers, and she just stayed with me as long as I needed her to help me. So, ask the right questions to a prospect, give the right answers, and price my services. She just stayed with me and helped me to give the right answers. I would recommend this course for anyone who wants to learn building effective funnels, running Facebook ads properly, and of course finding clients. What's important in any course, it's not only what's inside in terms of knowledge. Of course it's important, and Roota has it, but another thing is the teacher herself. And I haven't seen a teacher like Roota so far. And I'm in this area for almost 1 year now. And like when I ask Roota about something, I know she will be there and I know I will get a honest and complete answer. So what made me choose Roota's course? It's really simple. She was the one I trusted the most. That's as simple as that. And she was just offering to teach exactly what I wanted to learn. So being able to help people in their business in terms of funnels and Facebook ads. And she was the one. Like, I knew Roota is honest, and if she says she can help me with that, well, she will help me with that. So the three benefits I got. First thing is confidence in offering my services. So, when you don't know the process, like how to find clients, what to say, all that creates kind of mystery that makes it so hard. But once you get the answers, you understand anyone can do that. You just need to have a mentor behind you at the beginning. Confidence. The second thing is I learned a lot. Roota pushes you to take action. The sessions are full of knowledge and you have to watch them several times to get all that's inside. And the third thing is, I did it. Now I have clients. As Roota, I didn't want to work in an office for another boss. And now I feel really confident to find my next clients and do amazing job for them and so on. So yeah, it's a new life for me and I'm super excited to see what's next. I would absolutely recommend Be Your Own Boss program to learn Facebook ads and sales funnels. When I got the course, as I said, I already had some knowledge in ads and sales funnels, but what I learned in the course has changed my point of view on both, and especially for Facebook ads. It's really not the same running ads for your business and be able to run them for another one. And about funnels, it's the same. You need to understand the general rules and principles behind creating an effective sales funnel. And really, there's everything you need in that program. If you take it, just focus on it, take action, ask Roota when you need her, and you'll be all good. You don't need anything else if you want to master Facebook ads and funnels for you or to help other businesses.